Hello children, today we are going to learn about animals that are around us. Now every day when you look outside, you will find not all animals, you can find some animals on the road, in the field, okay. So you all know animals. What are animals? You all must be knowing what are the animals we see outside, like cow, buffalo, dog, right? These are animals you may find on the road, moving on the road, field, forest, okay. And today we are going to talk on animals around us. Children, animals around us not only means that is only around our nearby. No. About all the animals, there are different kinds of animals, like some are water animals and some are land animals. What are land animals? Animals that we find on land, or the land animals that can survive on land, like lion, tiger, giraffe, elephant, cow, and etc. Now we talk about water animal. Water animals are animals that live inside water, that cannot live on land. If we take that animal and keep it on the land, it may not live for long time because it's a water animal. Okay. What are water animals? For example, fish, dolphin. These are water animals. Water, this lives inside water. You cannot make them live on land. They cannot live without water. Okay. They need water to live. Now suppose these animals cannot go and live in water because they live on land. In your book, chapter number 32, it's there. Now next one, there are two things described in that chapter. One is, and the second one is, you have to write I for insect and B for bird. You all know what is insects? Yes, insects are very tiny, or it can be big one. Okay, birds, it's not very tiny. Okay, so you all know the difference between birds and insects, like this in your book. Here it's described here, this one. You can see, direct the water animal towards the water and land animals towards land. You have to direct them like this. If it is land, so you have to direct them to land. If it is water, to draw to water. You have to make an arrow to water. Okay. Now this one, we all know this is dolphin. This is from water. This is water animal, so we have to put an arrow like this. Now this is bear, so we have to put on land. This is our land animal. Again fish, again to water. This one to land. Rabbit also land. Again fish to water. Kangaroo to land. So like this chapter. Again, as I have told you, second option, second question, these birds and insects have got mixed up. Now these birds and insects have got mixed up. Now write B for birds and I for insects. If it is bird, then you have to write B, and if it is insect, then you have to write I. See this is honeybee. So what it is? It's an insect. So we'll write I. Now we come to housefly. What it is? It's insect. It's an insect. So we wrote again I. Now what is this? This is a bird. So we wrote B for bird. Again B. We wrote I because it's an insect. Now butterfly, insect. So we will write here I. Now pigeon, it's a bird, so we wrote B. mosquito. So we wrote here I. We are going to write here I. Now this one, dragonfly. So we'll write here I, insect. Okay. Children, it's very easy. Do it by yourself. I have explained it.